Welcome back, guys. Now let's see the third question of weekly contest lead code. I will first explain the question. The question is: we are given two grids such that their elements are only one or zero. One represent and land, one represent land, and zero represent water. And what is island? Island is a group of connected ones, or you can say group of connected lands. How one cell is connected to other, like they should share a side. Okay, so and any cells outside of the grid are also considered water. Okay, like outside the grid, these are also water. So yeah, in similarly, the two grids both have some islands and some islands there. So yeah, what we have to do is we have to find the number of sub islands uh, from grid 2, number of islands in grid 2 that are sub islands. We have to return that number. And what is a sub island? A sub island is such that, like, suppose this is this is a particular island in grid 2. This whole island should belong to a particular island group in grid 1. So if it does so, then this island is a sub island. So we have to count the number of such sub island. Okay. So now let's see the approach. So yeah, now I will tell the approach, like what I have done. I have run a DFS on first grid, then I have marked, like I marked like one, like I have marked the group number of the particular island, like it is the first island, so each and every cell which belongs to this island, I have given that island the number 1. Similarly, the second island group, I have given the number 2. Similarly, 3 and 4 also, the islands which are respective islands, their cells have been given these numbers through DFS in first grid. And for now DFS in second grid, what I have did is I run a DFS on the particular group, and then I counted that number of islands in that group, and also I checked that number of islands in that group that belonged to a particular group. Like I created a map, and then I counted, like in which group do the cells of the islands in this grid, like in grid 2 this is the island, so it cells, where does its cells group belong to? In group 1, like in grid 1. In grid 1's I have marked the group. So which group do these cell belongs? I am taking a count of that. If they all belong to the if they all belong to the same group, and so what will be the condition at that time? Num, like the number of islands would be equal to the number present in that group, like the count of like the count of group in which they all will lie. What is a group? Group will come from this grid 1. So yeah, this is what I have done basically. Like simply I have implemented it by applying DFS. So like if you will see the code, it will get more clear. So yeah, first I have, like, these are the vector for mark, like whether the particular cell has been visited or not, and this one is for, again, for the second grid, mark 1, and group is for the thing that I told earlier, like I have marked the group in the grid 1, like I have marked the group. Okay, so yeah, here I have assigned the group, and what I have done here is, like, if grid of ij is 1, like it is land, and mark its position, it has not been visited up till yet. So what I have done is I have run a DFS through it. In DFS 1 I have visited the grid 1. So yeah, inbound I have like all the 4 new neighboring cells I have checked. So yeah, and if they are land and if they are unmarked, then only I visited them, like in a simple DFS, the things that we do. And what I basically, main thing that I did was I marked the group of each and every cell. So yeah, and what I did next, I ran a DFS on second island also. And on second island, and while doing DFS on second island, this is the main thing that I do. I counted the number, like I have created a variable initially number, which would be which I would be assigning 0 at the start of every DFS call, and then I would be incrementing as I visit each and every cell. Here I have been incrementing it. So total number of island, no, sorry, total number of cells in a particular island I am counting. Okay, and also I am checking that which group do these islands belong to. Like, sorry, do these cells belongs to? Which group do these cells belongs to? And and then I'm checking if all these belongs to the same group, then what would be the condition? That the count of the maps variable would be like map size would be 1, of course. So the first variable, like the first value I would take, and I would take how much islands are belonging to that particular group. So int of second it would contain, and if it is equal to the number of islands these uh, in this particular group, then I would say, yeah, it is a sub island. So I would count that in the answer, and then I would return the answer. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you very much.